Alright, so here is how to make a homemade slip and slide that's 100 feet long. Check it out. Just throw some soap and a hose on it. Get some kids in swimsuits. There you go. A little soap, we have running water down it. Gotta have a hill like this though, it helps. That's like $60 for this whole thing. 100-foot slip and slide. Pretty cool. So what we're doing here is we're putting sock soap on here. And it's got a sprinkler here with the water running down. 100 feet long. For $60 at Home Depot. Alright guys, this is a really fun thing to do. Subscribe as always and ask any questions in the comments down below. Take care.